What if machines could learn, build, and even dream? At Paradox Innovator, we are not imagining the future, we are engineering it. In a world racing towards automation, we create technology that thinks smart and works smarter. From classrooms to industries, our goal is simple: to make innovation accessible to everyone. It all begins with PCB designing, the brain behind every electronic system crafted for precision and performance. Our R&D team transforms bold ideas into working prototypes through design, testing, and optimization. Then comes 3D printing, turning digital dreams into real parts within hours. Our robotic arms bring flawless motion to factories, while UAV drones take flight for mapping, security, and research. Need mobility? Our AMRs and AGVs navigate warehouses with intelligence and safety. And tying it all together, our software and IoT experts connect every device to the cloud, turning machines into smart collaborations. From the smart pump controller that conserves water to the rescuer boat that safeguards lives, each creation solves real problems and pushes the limits of possibility. Paradox Innovator, where robotics, automation, and imagination unite.